Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Mazda 2. The Mazda 2 is zoom zoom in its most concentrated form. A sporty yet functional style, seating for 5, and exceptional fuel economy up to 35 miles per hour. The Mazda 2 is responsible fun. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, power windows, power steering, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.